There's a secret ingredient that could sharpen your focus, boost your memory, and even enhance your creativity. It's not some overpriced supplement or trendy superfood plastered across social media. No, this is something ancient, primal, and shockingly simple. But there's a catch: you've got to eat it raw. What if the key to unlocking your brain's full potential was hiding in plain sight, overlooked because we've been taught to fear it? For centuries, this ingredient was revered by some of the greatest minds and strongest civilizations. They believed it held the power to fuel not just the body, but the mind. And modern science? It's starting to catch up. Let's talk about raw egg yolks. Wait, don't scroll away. This isn't about some bro science gym hack or outdated diet fad. Raw egg yolks are one of the most nutritionally dense foods on the planet. Packed with choline, omega-3s, and essential vitamins like B12 and D, they're literally brain food. Choline, in particular, is a game changer. It's the building block for acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that drives memory, learning, and focus. Without enough choline, your brain slows down. Here's where it gets interesting. When you cook an egg, you lose some of these nutrients. Heat breaks down delicate compounds that your brain thrives on. Eating it raw, on the other hand, preserves every bit of that nutritional goldmine. But raw egg yolks come with a reputation, a bad one. We've been told they're dangerous, unsanitary, even disgusting. And sure, the risk of contamination exists, but it's wildly exaggerated if you're sourcing your eggs properly. High-quality, pasture-raised eggs are safer than most of the processed junk we put into our bodies without a second thought. So, why does no one talk about this? Because the modern food industry has trained us to fear anything raw, natural, or unprocessed. We sanitize, package, and overcook our food to the point that it's stripped of everything that made it powerful in the first place. But ancient warriors? Philosophers? Innovators? They didn't shy away from raw foods. They knew there was something primal and untamed about consuming ingredients in their purest form. They were feeding their bodies and their brains without the layers of interference we've added today. The first time you crack open a raw egg yolk, it's going to feel weird. Maybe even a little wrong. But as that rich, golden nutrient bomb hits your system, something shifts. You feel sharper, clearer, like your brain just woke up after years of being half asleep. So, is it worth it? To challenge what you've been told, to reject the fear and embrace the raw power of nature's most misunderstood ingredient? That's for you to decide. But if you're ready to take that leap, you might just discover that the simplest foods are the ones that can change everything.